Sandoval here with Above and Beyond Pool Remodeling. I'm out here at a job in Chandler, Arizona, showing you how we get this job all prepped up. We've been here for about 2 hours now, maybe 2.5 hours, getting everything prepped up. You see the team of guys out here, probably about 8 to 10 guys out here working and getting everything prepped up. You see the debris here that we've got on the spa. You see the plastic that we've got all around the spa protecting the decking. If you come on in here, I'm going to get in here and I'm going to show you what we do, how we tape off all the in-floor heads and all the returns, so we make sure that we get no debris in there while shooting. We got the light pulled out. We will put the light back in its niche when we're all complete. We got the main drain cover off. We got it all plugged. You look in there, we got plugs in there. When everything's said and done, we will be stripping off all the tape and doing the acid wash. We got all the debris out of here. We swept it, we cleaned it. There's no debris here. There's nothing there. It's all clean and washed down with the water hose and swept. And we even get a wet dry vacuum in here to suck up all the debris as well. This is Mike Sandoval, Above and Beyond Pool Remodeling. And thank you for listening to this video this morning on how we prep these pools prior to getting ready to shoot them.